Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another designer shoutout. So let's get cracking. Friends, today's highlighted designer is Dash Brawl. He has made a few awesome designs. This one just showed up today. It is food on skewers. Love the idea of the plate. That is so fantastic, and it's even got the sauce like it was in a cooking competition. Such a slick idea and so much room for you as the designer to be creative. Absolutely love this one, Dash. Sticking to our food theme, friends, this is the second one that was created by Dash. It is a waffle maker. How cool is that? A super cool thing about this is one of my mom's favorite things to make is homemade waffles. This is so cool and absolutely makes my day. Dash has been extremely busy. Check out this one as well. This time we're switching away from the food and we have got a throwing star. That is so cool. There is a second one that was shared as well. Let's see what this ninja throwing star looks like. That's sweet as well. Let's see if we can ungroup this one. Yes, we can. What's it made of? This is one of my favorite things when I get to check one of these out, is you can see how they were built. So you can see these edges are being sliced with the green roof, and I'm going to just undo those to go back to where it was, and that's how it cuts out that awesome shape. Sweet stuff, and once again, thank you Dash Brawl for taking time to share your cool creations. Friends, remember, if you ever make something awesome like my trainer, just something you want me to see, you can click on this button, generate a link, copy that link, and you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options are not available to you, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. I have got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad, and then at the bottom there is a sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your information, click that send button, and shoot it to me almost instantly. Finally, friends, I want to say thanks again to Dash Brawl for taking time to share all your fantastic projects with us. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you have a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.